Looking for top-notch air conditioning services and repair in Piara Waters? Look no further. Curious about energy efficiency? Let us help you choose the most energy-efficient air conditioner models to keep your space cool while lowering utility bills. At Gildan, we offer a blend of local understanding, professional technical expertise, and remarkable service that sets us apart as the air conditioner specialists in Piara Waters. Our maintenance programs are meticulously designed to ensure long-term efficient performance, and we offer flexible payment options and discounts to accommodate your budget. If you're seeking a green cooling solution, explore our eco-friendly air conditioning options that prioritize environmental care without compromising on performance. And in case of emergency, our 24/7 air conditioning maintenance and repair service in Piara Waters ensures we're available to address any urgent repairs promptly, getting your system back on track in no time. Ready to experience the best in air conditioning services and repair? Contact us today.